Welcome to Blissful Broadcast, your source for healthy living and wholesome choices. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your well-being: the oils you use in your kitchen. You might be surprised to learn that those seemingly innocent vegetable oils could be sabotaging your health. That's right, we're talking about ditching those dodgy vegetable oils and opting for healthier alternatives. Over the next 10 chapters, we'll expose the dirty secrets lurking in your pantry and equip you with the knowledge to make informed choices for yourself and your loved ones. Now, before we get this show on the road, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. Let's get cooking. Here are a list of bad oils you need to avoid. Soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, palm oil, canola oil blend. Several commonly used vegetable oils can be detrimental to your health, primarily due to their high omega-6 fatty acid content, processing methods, and potential for oxidation. Our bodies need a balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. But those vegetable oils, they're loaded with omega-6s, throwing the whole system out of whack. This imbalance can lead to inflammation, the root of many chronic diseases. We need to cut these culprits out of our kitchens right now. We need oils that promote balance, not chaos. We're taking back our kitchens and our health, one oil at a time. The process of making these vegetable oils is enough to make you lose your appetite. They're highly processed and refined, stripped of any nutritional value. They take good seeds and nuts, subject them to extreme heat, bleach, and deodorize them. And the worst part, they use harmful chemicals like hexane to extract the oil. These chemicals can linger in the oil, ending up in your food and body. It's time to demand better, to choose oils treated with respect. Now, let's talk about trans fats, the real villains of the oil world. These nasty little devils form when oils are heated to high temperatures. Trans fats are like cholesterol's evil twin, even worse for your heart. They clog your arteries, increasing heart disease risk. Be vigilant, read labels, and avoid partially hydrogenated oil. Have you ever opened a bottle of oil and been hit by a rancid paint thinner-like smell? That's oxidation at work, my friends. Vegetable oils, especially those high in polyunsaturated fats, are highly susceptible to oxidation, especially when exposed to heat, light, and air. It's like leaving a piece of fish out in the sun. It goes off. When these oils oxidize, they produce harmful compounds called free radicals. These free radicals are like tiny terrorists, wreaking havoc on your cells and damaging your DNA. This oxidative stress is linked to a whole host of health problems, from cancer to premature aging. It's like pouring poison into your body, drop by toxic drop. We need to protect ourselves by choosing oils that are more stable, less prone to oxidation, and store them properly in dark, cool places. Now, let's talk about what happens when you cook with these unstable vegetable oils at high temperatures. It's a recipe for disaster, like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. When these oils are heated, they break down and release even more free radicals. It's like unleashing a swarm of angry bees into your body. These free radicals attack your cells, causing damage that can lead to inflammation, chronic diseases, and even cancer. It's like setting off a chain reaction of destruction within your own body. We need to choose oils that can withstand higher temperatures without breaking down. Oils that won't turn into a toxic mess in our frying pans. Remember, we're not trying to nuke our food here. We're trying to cook it gently and healthily. So, ditch the vegetable oils and opt for more stable options that can handle the heat. Listen up, you lot. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like a fire alarm going off, signaling that something is wrong. But chronic inflammation, that's like having the fire alarm blaring non-stop, driving you absolutely bonkers. And guess what fuels this inflammatory fire? You got it. Those pesky vegetable oils with their out-of-whack omega-6 to omega-3 ratios. It's like pouring gasoline on a smouldering ember. This chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, leading to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis to cancer. It's like your body is constantly under attack from within. We need to douse this fire by reducing our intake of these inflammatory oils and increasing our consumption of anti-inflammatory foods and oils. Let's face it, no one wants to talk about digestive issues, but we need to. Our gut health is crucial for our overall well-being. It's like the engine room of our body, and those processed vegetable oils? They're like throwing a wrench into the works. These oils can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut bacteria, leading to inflammation, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. It's like having a food fight in your stomach. And let's not forget about leaky gut syndrome, a condition where the lining of the gut becomes more permeable, allowing undigested food particles and toxins to enter the bloodstream. It's like having a sieve for a gut. We need to nourish our gut with healthy fats, probiotics, and fiber, not bombard it with processed oils that cause more harm than good. Believe it or not, consuming too many vegetable oils can actually lead to nutrient deficiencies. It's like robbing your body of the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. These oils are often fortified with synthetic vitamins A, D, E, and K. But our bodies don't absorb these synthetic versions as efficiently as they do the natural forms found in whole foods. It's like trying to fuel a car with water. What's more, these oils can interfere with the absorption of other essential nutrients, such as magnesium and calcium. It's like having a nutrient thief in your system. We need to ditch these nutrient-depleting oils and focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich whole foods to ensure our bodies are getting the nourishment they need. Now, for the love of all things delicious, let's talk about flavor. Vegetable oils have a neutral flavor, which might seem like a good thing, but it's actually a culinary crime. They can mask the natural flavors of our food, turning a symphony of tastes into a bland, boring mush. It's like listening to an orchestra play with earplugs in. And don't even get me started on how easily they burn. 1 minute you're sautéing your veggies, the next you're choking on a cloud of acrid smoke. It's a disaster. We deserve better than these flavorless, burn-prone oils. We deserve oils that enhance the taste of our food. Oils that make our kitchens smell divine, not like a chemical factory. Listen up, you lot. The production of vegetable oils is not only bad for our health, but it's also wreaking havoc on our planet. It's an environmental nightmare. Vast swathes of land are being cleared for palm oil plantations, destroying precious rainforests and threatening the habitats of endangered species. It's like we're bulldozing our way to a barren wasteland. And the use of pesticides and fertilizers on these plantations is polluting our water sources and poisoning our planet. It's like we're waging war on nature itself. We need to wake up and realize that our choices have consequences. By choosing sustainable, ethically sourced oils, we can protect our health and the health of our planet. So there you have it, 10 solid reasons to ditch those dodgy vegetable oils and opt for healthier, more sustainable alternatives. Remember, your health is your wealth, and the choices you make in the kitchen have a direct impact on your well-being. Now, I'm not saying you need to toss out everything in your pantry this instant, but I urge you to start making conscious choices, to read labels carefully, and to opt for oils that nourish your body and respect our planet. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed and blissful. Goodbye.